Well, guys, here you have another short video, this time from Fort Lauderdale. A bunch of nice big center consoles. And also I want to take this opportunity to tell you about the channel. This channel is going to be dedicated only to center consoles and powerboats, and all the yacht content will be posted on our other page called Yachting Hub Miami. There's always a link in the page where you can also visit that channel if you want to subscribe to it. So for now, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.